there's a huge gap in the middle where we actually don't know how the atmosphere looks.
Every day, something extraordinary takes flight.
Every single launch is amazing.
From this spot near Wittenbach, Switzerland, Meteodrones rise to decode the weather, capturing what's missing and completing the picture. 10 Meteo base stations across Switzerland carry out this mission, night after night. Each base launching a Meteodrone that can climb up to 6 kilometers or 20,000 feet, capturing vertical profiles where it matters the most. Then, returning, recharging, and doing it again.
There's one pilot coordinating all flights from all Meteo bases from one location. Everything can be controlled remotely.
It's not a lack of computer power that causes forecasts to fall short. It's the lack of data at the lower atmosphere, where impactful conditions form like fog. That is, until we started adding the Meteodrone's unique data.
Seeing how the model was actually able to produce this fog after ingesting this Meteodrone was really exciting.
Meteodrones stay focused, locked into the mission, flying precisely and capturing data, even with buckets of rain pouring down.
Well, my favorite moments as a drone pilot, when the weather is really giving you the worst situations and you see that your drone still manages to keep up. That's amazing.
A stream of reliable data feeds directly into the Euro 1K, our ultra-high resolution, fast refresh weather model. Why does quality data matter?
The simple answer is garbage in, garbage out. If you feed your model very accurate weather data from our drone, for example, then you get a very good forecast.
We are really lacking the data that you need to forecast really local phenomena like thunderstorms in summer or the fog in winter or in autumn. And we are really missing out on this data. And this is why we actually came up with the idea to use drones.
A really good forecast that's verified. On the left, a forecast without drone data. The clouds never appear. In the middle, a forecast with Meteodrone data, capturing what actually happened. And on the right, the satellite image that confirms it. A 30% difference in humidity and 1 to 2 degree lower temperatures captured by our drones was the reason the model predicted what actually happened.
These improved forecasts are highly relevant for industries such as aviation, airports, airlines, air traffic control systems, but also for other industries such as renewable energies, insurance, agriculture.
Forecast models crave data, and there's a virtual treasure trove of it not being used. We're changing that.
By utilizing AI methods, aircraft data, radar data, lightning data, but also drone data.
Pilots trust them. Airport operators rely on the hyperlocal insight. Grid operators are better protecting and managing their infrastructure. And insurers are validating claims with confidence. We proved it in Switzerland. Now we're scaling it. Several new Meteo bases are going live across Norway, reaching from the coastline to mountain valleys, capturing atmospheric data where it's never been collected before.
If we are able to succeed in Norway, we can succeed everywhere.
With every flight, we close the gap between prediction and reality. We don't just model the weather, we measure it, live, in real time, at national scale. Meteomatics is building the world's first drone-based mesh network, and the work doesn't stop here. With every launch, every new data point, every last microscopic detail, we continue to improve.
Our moonshot vision is, of course, to run a global high-resolution model.